Sports Grill here in Port St. Lucie, Florida. This place is special because any other Duffy's you go to, because it is a chain restaurant, all looks the same inside. On the walls is sports memorabilia. It's awesome, and it's a sports grill, so of course there's TVs everywhere playing sports. But this one, let's talk about this place specifically. It's special because inside there is a arcade, sneak peek, and a bowling alley. I had a great time, and I hope you enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe. Duffy's Sports Grill was founded by two childhood friends turned business partners in Lake Park, Florida in 1985. According to the website, they have 29 locations in Florida, and annually they do serve 1 million burgers. At the Port St. Lucie Duffy's, my family and I enter through the restaurant. You can sit in the restaurant and eat before you bowl. But what we did was we ordered our food at the bar and then told the bartender where we'd be sitting so they knew where to serve us our food. My dad ordered the fish tacos and my mom ordered the shrimp cocktail, and they both love their food. I had the bang bang shrimp, and even though it had a little kick to it, I thought it was fantastic. Luckily, we did not have to wait long to play. Now, to understand my family's dynamic, my dad isn't competitive at all, but I would say 99% of the time, he will win. My mom, love you, Mom, but she is competitive, but I would say it's in a fun way. We always laugh. For me, when I really focus at the game, I am decent. I'm not great, but decent. But I do joke around with a lot of my friends. Do you guys remember Wii Sports? I was fantastic at playing bowling on Wii Sports. So I always joke around, if you play on that, I will kick your butt. But this is real life, so I didn't win. Afterwards, I paid around $40 for a game card to play in the arcade. The arcade was pretty big. I did end up focusing mostly on the claw machines, which I ended up winning 3 rubber ducks and a rubber alien. Now, was it worth $40? That is questionable. But did I scream with joy when I won those items? Yes. Oh, yes, I did. Overall, I had a great time at this Duffy's, and I highly recommend coming here with your friends and family.